Alright, welcome back to the silver version randomizer nuzlocke. We're here at Erica's gym. So a few things. I had to go back to Johto, which was a pain in the ass itself. Then I went to Goldenrod and got the frickin' radio thing, which I realized I needed. Looked that up on Google. Came back, went to Ekritique, went to go up to the Secretary and fight Ho-Oh, which was randomized to Entei. And, again. So, our team right now is going, because I have to keep Scizor on even longer because we lost a good Mon. So, we have Slash, same moveset. Oh yes, same moveset. Venus Jr., same moveset. Tyranitar, same moveset. Alpha, same moveset. We lost Kenya. Yeah, I hear some of you screaming, how? Well, I had to kill the Entei. And in order to do that, I had to sacrifice one of my Mons. So this Entei was level 70, and its moveset was insanity. It had Swagger, which it used like 9 times. I used it up all the time. I used up all of its Swagger to get it out. Basically killing Slash. Raising Slash's stats all the way up to like, I think it was like, it raised it up like all the way up there. Like it was up there all the way. Sorry. I wanted to get rid of it. I wanted to get rid of Swagger. Swagger is like one of those deadly moves that confuses you. And confusion in this game fucking sucks. Then Slash died to flamethrower. So I sent in Kenya because I knew it could take on flamethrower, and it also have fire spin as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some new members. I'm going to level the fuck up out of everyone. Once I get Alpha up to level 40, it should be good to battle. This is the store, right? Oh, this is Celadon Mansion. Meowth, Nidoran, Fairy. So, I went up to where you would get Eevee to see if there was something up there that like a gift Pokemon. There wasn't. I was sad. Here's the mart. Okay, hopefully there's a leaf stone up here somewhere. Baby. Oh, shit. This is super potions. So, we can't buy another Master Ball? Like, seriously. TM10. An attack with variable power. Try attack? No. Or sleep powder. Ooh, I have no idea. Peck? Okay. So basically shitty. I want to see what this is. I have no fucking clue. Oh yeah, that's right. So, let's see. Oh, I got bite. Hang on. Heck. Oh, it does bite. Okay. Okay. I want to see what this is. Oh, it's Psywave. I have Psychic. Oh. Nope. Not that one. Where the fuck do you get a leaf stone in this place? Seriously? Wow, you don't get a leaf stone. Okay. That's some bullshit. How am I gonna evolve Venus? Let me see what this guy has to offer. Sometimes I'll give you a TM in Fire Red. Oh. Oh, God. I'm sorry. We can't catch you. And here's an encounter. Wonder if there's anything else in here. And an Ekans. Guess it's better than nothing. Might as well catch it. That's some bullfucking shit right there. I didn't get shit. Oh, that's right. You could buy shit here, too. Hell yeah. Alright, let's see what you got. Okay, okay, next door. Not here. It must be... Ooh, I have no idea what those are. Pupitar, Centret, Chansey. Ooh. I might come back for the Chansey. Just cause. Oh, yes! Fuck yes! Fuck yes! Sorry. I'm so happy. Okay, let's see. Where's the damn leftovers? Okay, go back over here. Whee! Leftovers give to who? Until I get Dratini evolved, because then... Okay, where's the damn... pain in the ass to find this gym. Oh, shit, sorry. Fuck. Today we're going to just do the gym leaders. We're going to do Celadon Gym, and then I'm going to fly over to... I'm going to fly over to... I think what I'm going to do is... Okay, hang on, I'm going to stay in there. I normally don't do this, but I want to stay in here because... Ooh, Scizor looks pink. I like it. Okay, type tar. The reason I stayed in there is because it was the only one I had that we could actually maybe take on. I don't know. Should I personally, if I find another leftover, I'm just thinking about this. I mean, I have no fucking clue. Also, I'm gonna have to sell some of these items I got so I can buy some more shit. I'm gonna do all the trainers, and then before I face Erica, I'll go and do that. Okay, and switching out Pokemon. Shut up, fucking Ninetales. I should have kept Oh, damn it. Almost made a critical error there. Nope. Finish it with Mega Punch. Oh, look how cute it is. I love Scizor. Don't think I have anything. I need to catch an electric type. Because I don't have anything for water or ice anymore, damn it. know steel type is great against it, but it's the only steel type I have, and I need to find something else to do it. I really do. To replace it. There's nothing too damn strong. I mean, it's gonna take me forever to level up that damn, oh, it's a freeze. Okay, Dragon, Poison Barb, Soda Pop, Carbos, X-Speed, Hyper Potion. I guess I'm stuck with you. Alright, go heal. Go buy some more crap. Sell some of my items. After I'm done with this and buy some more. I've always been curious. You see, flash out and go, that make that annoying noise when you're poisoned and shit. Why doesn't it? I've always been curious as to why it doesn't do it when you're burnt or paralyzed or something. I understand if you're asleep and you can't do shit, but it never does it when you're burnt. You don't lose HP when you're burnt in this generation, or in Gen 3, or in Gen 4. Which was really weird to me. I was like, I've always wondered, what the hell were they... I mean, I don't care, but I just always been curious as to why. I mean, if you can do it for when you're poisoned and you're losing HP, why wouldn't you do it when it's burnt? I mean, what if you're losing HP? I've always imagined when I did my first ever playthrough of Fire Red, I made it very abundant. I was like, what the hell? Why I'm burnt and yet you're not doing anything, and I'm making sure I'm not losing. I had to check every 5 fucking seconds that I wasn't losing any HP, and I wasn't, unless I sent it out into battle, which really freaked me out. I'm like, what the hell? So let's go fight Erica. I think that's the way you're supposed to do this. You're supposed to go Surge, Erica, Sabrina, Janine, Missy, Brock, and Gary, or Blue. I need to level up my Pokemon too. I mean, I know they're 6 levels ahead of me, but still. So she has a Poison type, a Fire type, a Water type. I can't fight again. Oh, I love Kingdra Sprite. Oh, I love Kingdra Sprite in this game. Never seen it before, but that's well, except for Claire. I haven't seen it in a while. I forget how good it looks in this generation. Too bad they fucked up the shiny. No. Oh, look! She has her own ace, guys! No, I know her ace is like Blossom or some shit. Oh, her name is Rachel, y'all. She is so sweet. Thank you so much. Oh, please, for the love of God, be fucking Tia mirror move. That would be so fucking incredible. Okay, Pokemon pack. Yay! Sorry. And fuck me. Maybe Dragonair will get it. Or Dragonite. I want to keep that though, because that'll be amazing if Dragonite could learn it. Okay, so what am I doing? I'm first going to Vermilion to sell some items and buy some items. Oh shit, wrong one. Whee! Let's go sell some items. I have so much shit to sell, that's fine. I mean, do I want to buy another Pokemon? I mean, I might keep that one for Dragonite. Buy Hyper Potion. $14. Alright. Oh, and for those of you who are curious, Snorlax was Dupe's Claws, as it was, Viridian, I don't, try. As it was Dupe's Claws. Do I gotta... Oh, I forgot about Blaine. I wonder if I can actually... Give me a second. Oh. Look, guys, our first encounter! I'm just gonna try something. It says it's asleep, y'all. I'm gonna try something. Nope. Holy shit, it's asleep, y'all! Wait, like level 5 or 2? How the fuck? Okay, hang on, I'm gonna try something. Right, false swipe. Damn it. Okay, that was way too fast. You're probably like level 2. It's still an encounter anyway. Anger. Or no. Anga. And Scizor is amazing for its false swipe. I mean, I can... Okay, dude. Move, fat ass. So... Or no, stats. So it's level 3. It has Peck and Growl. A Cobb has Poison Sting, Bite, Lair, and Wrap. It's 17. And then this is what I caught in the when I was heading up to fight Ho-Oh, Jinx. I forgot to nickname it. Lick, Lovely Kiss, Powder Snow, and Double Slap. So basically a bitch. Oh yeah, I'll admit fish. And then I caught this little baby. Meet my Lucy Woodsy Boo. Who's a good girl? Who's a good boy? I'm sorry, I love Kabuto with all my heart. I fucking love it. I'm gonna get rid of Smeargle so I can have some more stuff. Lace. I could put Flare on the team. Hang on. Let me think about this. I need a replacement for Slash and Venus Jr. I could replace Venus Jr. because it's level 16 with Flare. I don't know. I really want to use the Victory Bell. Here's what I'm going to do. Because I can't find a Pokemon. Because I can't find a Leaf Stone right now. Because I can't find a Leaf Stone right now, I'm going to deposit Venus Jr. and withdraw Flare. I could use a fire type as I need it. I could use the fire type. I really could. I mean, oh shit. The fire type. Oh look, it's level 6 Smeargle, y'all. I mean, it might not be as, it'll just be useful until I can find, I also need an electric type too. Like, I need something to combat water types. Oh look, guys, it's a Weedle. I could try out, I'll switch it into, I don't want it to get poisoned. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fly down, or, I'm going to, oh, look guys, I got a Fury Cutter move. Finally got an attacking move on this metronome shit. I can go see Professor Oak. Maybe he'll give us a starter, y'all. Ooh. Let's try it. It's 31. Oops, wrong one. Ooh, that is a good Pokemon. I could put the leftovers on Mew, believe it or not. I didn't think about that. No, because if I find it, I want to, oh shit. Please, please, please. Oh, thank you fucking Jesus survived. Okay, let's hurry up. Come on. Come on. The fuck? You guys are seeing this too, right? On YouTube. You guys are seeing that this Spearow is asleep, right? Okay, I just want to make sure. Because I think I'm going crazy here. Oh, thank you fucking Jesus Christ. Okay, note to self, never try to go into another trainer. If I find a poison type, I am going to fucking use Scizor. Damn it, I also need a steel type for poison types. God damn it. This is so painful. Alright, let's go see if Professor Oak will give us a Pokemon. Just for funsies. Aw, he won't. Yay! He'll give us a gift. Maybe it'll be a Charizard or a Venusaur. Or I miss my Pokemon. Oh god. Please, for the love of fucking merciful Jesus, you better stay in this damn ball. I didn't. Okay. Okay, Pokemon. Tyranitar. I can add that to my damn team. Hell yeah. Pack. Let's try one. Oh, no. This Umbreon is tanky too. Shit, I could actually use this. Okay. Pack. Yes, let's see if it'll fit. Night NIGHT FLAIR. Yay! My kitty fit it. Okay. See what else we could have got. Oh, it's another Umbreon. Okay, yeah, I already caught you, bitch. Oh, there's one trainer. There's another reason why I need a fire type. Pokemon. I mean, I know Tyranitar has Ember, but I need a Pokemon that can actually learn more fire type moves. I really have nothing for water types or ground types or shit. Like I said, if I find a leaf stone, I will put freaking Victory Bell on my team. I will fucking level it up. Oh, wrong way. Ooh, I wonder if we could get actually... I have to look up where the legendary birds are in this game. I forgot we can get them too. Is it... Who the fuck are you? Oh. Can I go into the gym? Can I go into the volcano itself? Just out of curiosity. I already caught one of those, and besides, this is... No, I cannot. Huh. And I can catch a Pokemon in here. It's a Pokemon, might as well. You know what? No, fuck that. I don't need it. So I got a Fuchsia. Oh, I wonder if the oh, no one's in here. I wonder if I could get go to the freaking thing. Okay, there's... It looks so different. There's something there. I could get an encounter in here. Just wondering about the freaking Safari Zone. No encounters in there. Okay, so he's traveling abroad. I can't catch another encounter. Alright, well. I can level up then, at least. What's this? Ooh. We'll go travel around here and look around here real quick, like, just because we can. There's our encounter. It is a good thing I ran away from that fucking Slowbro. I prefer Slowking to Slowbro. I don't know. I've never used either, but I've always loved Slowking from the Pokemon 2000 movie. I just always thought it was like really cool to see another talking Pokemon. And after this, and it's another Pokemon I can add to my team instead of, and I can replace it for Wartortle. I have no idea what to name this. I'm just gonna name it this. Alright. I'll release Wartortle and throw Slowking on the team. And the Pokemon Center is on the other side of the fucking world. Pisses me out to no end. Alright. BC. Withdraw. And then deposit. First off. Goodbye, Shell Shocker. And Night Flare. Draw. Night Flare. Alright, let's see if Land Flare can learn Cut. Lugia. Ooh, Land Flare is able to use Cut. Don't need Sand Attack. And let's see if you can learn Strength, too. No, but S can. Oh, no. I can teach that to a Tyranitar for Screech. And finally, Surf. S is able to learn Surf. Yeah, this is not the best moveset. I'm just gonna throw every fucking thing on here. Whirlpool. I taught Alpha Waterfall, just cause. And Night Flare will learn Flash. Just in case. Okay. I'm just gonna have to be extremely careful. Slash, it was an honor having you for this long. Thank you for helping me out so much, especially during some fights. I know you died like several times, especially during the battle with Entei. Thank you for helping me out though with it. You were such an amazing player. I had to replace you though, so people don't bitch. I finally found your replacement that can learn both Strength and Cut. So, goodbye. I'm missing Scizor already. So this will be our team, hopefully. Will not die. Alpha will get to level up to 40 once it does. I'll level up Flare to 40 and S to 40. Alright. Save here. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look up where to get the legendary birds. Let's see it one more time. Save the legend. Go find the legendary birds and replace. And if there are any good, if one of them is Lugia, I intend to replace. If the legendary Pokemon, I will replace some. Or a fire type, I will replace it. I'm hoping one of them will be Raikou. Because if that's the case, I can replace Flare and use Raikou from now on as an electric type. Alright. One more save. Just because. I mean, Lugia was Mew. Ho-Oh was Entei. So Zapdos could be any of the legendary birds, including Zapdos itself, Celebi, Lugia, or Ho-Oh. And that's the same